Hello dear fans. Why are plants green? Plants are the lungs of the planet. They absorb carbon dioxide, releasing oxygen that is life-giving for humans into the atmosphere. Living plants have a pleasant green color, which is a symbol of health and natural freshness. Plants are green due to the high content of the green pigment, chlorophyll. This sticky substance is necessary for a chemical process called photosynthesis, which converts carbon dioxide to provide nutrients and releases oxygen into the atmosphere. Photosynthesis is carried out in the so-called chloroplasts, green plastids that are found in plant cells. These chloroplasts contain chlorophyll and are concentrated in the stems or fruits of the plant, but most of them are in the leaves. In succulent plants, cacti, all photosynthesis takes place in the thick stem. In order for the plant to start photosynthesis, chlorophyll absorbs light, whether sunlight or artificial. As soon as the light hits the plant, the pigment begins to act, but it does not absorb all the light waves, but only those that have the required length. A specific light wavelength corresponds to a specific color in the light spectrum, from red to green. In this case, colors from red to blue-violet are absorbed most quickly, therefore, photosynthesis occurs faster. The green color of the spectrum is not absorbed by chlorophyll, but is reflected. Since the human eye is able to distinguish colors only in light, when looking at a plant, he observes the active process of photosynthesis, and sees only the reflected, green, color. After absorbing sunlight, chemical reactions begin in the plant. Water from the root system combines with carbon dioxide. These reactions result in the production of nutrients, glucose, that make the plant live and benefit the animals and humans who consume them. The plant also contains other pigments called carotenoids. And when the amount of light begins to fall, for example, in autumn, the chlorophyll in the plant is destroyed, carotenoids paint it yellow or red. The plant switches to economy mode. It takes all the remaining nutrients from the leaves, and then discards them. Thanks for watching.